Hi, this is Mrs. Vrobel. So I'm trying to show you how to do stoichiometry using gas laws. And in this situation, we have C8H18, which is being combusted with oxygen, and it's forming carbon dioxide and water. Now, anytime you have stoichiometry, you need a balanced chemical equation. So in this equation, I'm going to try balancing it by putting an 8 in front of carbon dioxide since there's 8 carbon, and I'm going to put 9 water since there are 18 hydrogen. So balancing the oxygen, I have 16 plus 9, which gives me 25. That is not divisible by 2, so that's not going to work. So the way I want to improve that is by doubling everything. So instead of 8 carbon, I'm going to make it 16, and instead of 9 water, I'm going to make it 18. So when you balance the oxygen, you have 32 oxygen from carbon dioxide, and you have 18 from water, and that gives me 50, and that is divisible by 2, which gives me 25. Okay. So I have 7.25 liters of oxygen, and they want me to figure out the volume of carbon dioxide. So what do I know? Volume is 7.25 liters. At STP, pressure is 1 atmosphere. And I know that temperature is 273. So I want to use PV equals nRT, and I know everything except N, which is essentially PV over RT. So when I plug that in, I have 1 atmosphere times 7.25 liters all over my gas law constant, which is 0.08206 liters ATM mole Kelvin, times temperature, which is 273 Kelvin. So I'm going to put that in my calculator. And that's 7.25 divided by 0.08206 times 273. When I do that, I get Sorry, my pen is not working now. Sorry guys, I don't know why my pen is not working here. Now notice that there are 16 carbon dioxide for 25 oxygen. So I'm going to use mole ratio once I plug in my numbers here. So I have 0.324 moles of oxygen. And using mole ratio, it's always moles of unknown divided by moles of known. So 16 moles of carbon dioxide divided by 25 moles of O2. So when I do that, I get 207 moles of CO2. Now they want to know volume. So I'm going to say V equals nRT over P. So I know the moles, which is 0.207. I know the R, which is 0.08206 liters times ATM mole Kelvin, times temperature, which is 273, all over pressure, which is 1 atmosphere. Okay, so when I do the math, I get 4.64 liters. And that makes sense because I only have 16 moles of carbon dioxide, whereas I have 25 moles of oxygen, so I should have a smaller volume because of that. Okay, so you're going to do the rest of these problems, and if you're stuck, you need to contact me. I'm going to share with you the answers tomorrow. Please remember that volume should be in liters, and your R value should correspond to the pressure unit that you have. So if you are stuck, you need to ask me for help.